It's Cyber Monday, but not for stocks. Market is down this Monday morning. I'm here with Ben Willis from Albert Freed. So it seemed like we were moving along, and it seemed like we were able to kind of, shrug off all the escalation in the Middle East of all the fighting and the tensions there. But it seems like today, I guess we've got that tryptophan hangover.
Exactly. Well, you had a great run last week, one of the best moves in the S&P we've seen in years, if not making an all-time great chart. So that being said, that we were overbought, for lack of a better term, right now, so it's not unexpected to see this pullback. I think we probably can go a little bit lower than we are right now, but if you're a long-term investor, once again, that's probably a buying opportunity. Traders who were fortunate enough to buy the VIX at a discount on Friday or at some sort of protection, I think the belief from the professional traders I chat with is that we're going to see some volatility going into December. It shouldn't be unexpected, but if you're a long-term investor, you should have your places where you want to get involved in purchases. If you're already long, it's probably an opportunity to buy some inexpensive insurance.
When we get some of the numbers on this past weekend for shopping, it looked like people really did go out and shop. It looks like they were spending pretty heavily and at a pretty brisk pace. Doesn't that start to make people feel a little bit better about this economy?
Yeah, I mean, 70% of the U.S. economy is consumer-driven. That's why we have such a view of watching all this that goes on Black Friday. I mean, the markets rallied on Black Friday, if you will. So now we're talking about Cyber Monday. I still think the most important aspect to keep an eye on are the gift card buying. So we want to see the numbers coming out of Visa and MasterCard and see what's going on there, because now one of the most important days for the shopping season is actually the day after Christmas. So, I mean, this whole season gets extended and extended and extended. There are some people who are disappointed in Friday's numbers. There are people, again, looking for today to see those shoppers that weren't there Friday. Are they here today? My belief is that the shoppers are all there and probably better, but they don't all necessarily have to show up on Friday at 1 o'clock in the morning to buy a $100 iPad.
All right, well, yeah, they don't need to stand in line and fight for a parking lot. So if you're listening to Ben, it sounds like if you want to be a long-term investor, there are still some bargains out there. And we'll keep an eye on MasterCard and Visa and see how well they're doing with those gift cards. And I'm Deborah Borchardt reporting for The Street.